and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to cook turnip greens and kale together. Now I picked these turnip greens and kale from my backyard because I have a container garden that I pick fresh vegetables from, and I did do a fall garden this year. I want to point out that I do container gardening videos on my channel, product reviews, and other tasty recipes, so check those out. But for now, let's go ahead and get to those greens. Here are the greens that I picked from my container garden. These are the turnip greens, and they got little turnips on the bottom of them. And I also have kale. And what I'm going to do is give all this a nice wash, and I'm going to chop them up and put them in the pot. I wanted to show you a couple of things about these greens. Now they have these stems on them. You really don't want these stems, even though these are young tender greens. I'm going to just pinch those off. Now if these were larger greens, I would strip off that whole middle vein, but these are nice and delicate, so I don't have to do that. Again, you just want to clip off the tips, get those stems off. Another thing I want to show you is when you're preparing your greens, you want to bunch them up and you want to cut them down. You want to cut them down by slicing through it, because you want thinner slices of greens because they cook better and they get seasoned much better. So you can see how I chop through them. Now in my pot I have an onion that has been chopped up. Now to my onions, I'm going to add up the little turnips. I just sliced them in half, and I'm going to put that into the pot. I have in the pot also about 2-3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm gently frying the onions and those little turnips. I'm going to put the chopped up kale in here next. I'm going to season it up with about half a teaspoon of salt, a few grinds of black pepper, stir all that in. You can hear the sizzle. You're going to need to put a good cup of water in there because we're going to let these cook down until they're nice and tender. I can smell them already. The turnip greens have a nice, delicious, strong, almost mustardy type smell to it. Yes, that looks good. Let me turn that up. The water kind of cooled it off a little bit when I put that cold water in there. Let me turn the temperature up. And I think I'm going to add just a little bit more water. So that's about 1.5 cups of water. So I'm going to cover this and cook it till it's tender. About 45 minutes, I'll check on it. You want to check on it as well to make sure that the water is not drying out of the pot. You don't want these to burn, so keep an eye on it. And when they're done, I'll be right back. There she is, all nice and cooked. I'm going to get a taste of this. That is delicious. Tender, fresh greens. You can't taste anything fresher than that, straight from your garden. Even if you go to the store and buy greens, buy your turnips and your kale, cook it together, it's still going to be good. But this freshness right here is incredible. Make this recipe whether using greens from your own yard or from the store. Now be sure to check out my tips on container gardening so you can get your own fresh vegetables going. That's it for now. Bye bye.